Hey guys, School Kid here. So today I'm gonna do an unboxing for a new headset that I ordered, and it arrived today. So yeah, I'm gonna be doing an unboxing. So yeah, I have it right here. So yeah, these are the Nubwo N12. I think that's how you pronounce it. I don't know. So yeah, set it here. So it's right here. So this is just the box. So as you can see, here it says its name, N12 there. It's like the version N12. I haven't seen that many unboxings for this headset because there's only like 2. So I think this one's gonna be like the 3rd one. So yeah, there's just like N7 reviews or N9 reviews. So yeah. Over here, it says like the feature. So it says soft earpads. So it also says music, PC game, deep bass, and movie. So I guess it has deep bass and you can listen to music. So yeah. So now finally I'm gonna do the unboxing. So yeah, let's do this. There you go. So here it is. Here it is. Here's the headset. Ooh, there's lots of bubble wrapping. Okay, there's nothing in there. Okay, here it is. Ooh, that looks really nice. Okay, let me set it right here. So this is the headset. It's really soft and cushiony, like has lots of padding. So yeah, there it is. It says like the name right there. So we have like a flip book thing, like I think it's just like instructions, and we have a splitter cable. So right now it's for like playing like in a PS4 or like an Xbox. Like you can connect it to the controller. So yeah, the splitter is to like split it up into 2 parts, like the microphone and the sound for like PCs. So here it is. So here's the cable. This is the sound and this is the microphone. So guys, I actually used to have these. These are the ones I used for like, I think I use them for live streams. I'm not sure. I don't think I use them. I think I use them for the Cool Math Games live stream. So yeah. And I also used it in my people drinking water bottles in 1 second video. So yeah, this one was like a little bit more like less cushiony, but it still had like a lot. But this was really soft. So this one used to light up, but it stopped lighting up, so it doesn't, like, the lights don't work anymore. And these were like really loose, like you can tell by like me showing them right now. So as you can see, they're really wide open, like see, and these new ones are not. And I think these are gonna be more like tight than these ones, because these ones used to like wobble a lot in my head like that. So I'm gonna try these on right now. So these were the old ones. As you can see, they move a lot. And now these are the new ones. So now I'm gonna try these on. I haven't tried these on, so. Ooh, these are really tight, but not in a bad way, but like it isolates like a lot of sound. So I can like, it's weird because I can hear my voice really loud, but I can't hear things around me because it's like really muffled. So yeah, these are tight, but not in a bad way. They're really comfortable because they have like lots of padding. So here's the microphone. It's like a bendy material, like these ones also bend. So yeah, this one like is really flexible. So yeah, I'm gonna do a microphone test to see how it sounds. So guys, this is a microphone test. Right now I'm recording with this microphone. So yeah, I think it sounds pretty good, but I don't think it sounds as good as this one, but I still don't know. So guys, if you want to watch another unboxing, watch Skytron's new video which is an unboxing of his new microphone setup. So yeah, if you want to watch that, click right there. So yeah, and subscribe to see more content. Okay, so yeah, this was a really short unboxing. So yeah, I'll see you later. Bye.